This easy, healthy chia seed pudding is so simple yet so delicious. Let's show you how we make it. To start off with, get a glass or mason jar and then add your chia seeds. Add about half a cup of milk. You can adjust the amount of milk that you want to add depending on the consistency that you like your chia pudding. And then give it a good mix. If you like easy, simple recipes like this, give us a like and subscribe and check out our 3-ingredient recipe playlist. Once it's well combined, cover with cling film and leave in the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight. After 3 to 4 hours or the next day, just remove the cling film and it should look something like this. And then you're ready to top with whatever fruits you want. We use a mixture of berries here. Healthy, delicious and only 3 ingredients. This chia seed pudding is great for breakfast or a refreshing snack. If you like this recipe and want other 3-ingredient recipes, hit that subscribe button and check out our other recipes here.